Today we are unboxing a super handy tool that every kitchen needs, a rechargeable heat sealer with a cutter. The first thing that comes out is a compact little sealer which is sleek, lightweight and travel friendly. Next we have the Type-C charging cable which has USB on one side and Type-C on the other. Also a warranty card which I'm just placing back in. Now let's take the sealer out of its pouch and take a closer look. The build is sturdy and it looks great. Charging this is simple. Plug in the cable and in about 2.5 hours it's fully charged up and can last you for up to 10 to 15 days depending on use. Let's power it on. You will see a blue light indicator which means it's ready to go. The best part, no preheating required. It gets warm in just a few seconds and is ready to seal. Here I'm sealing an open snack packet. Just press gently and slide. Look at that. It is perfectly sealed. To show you how alright it is, I'll flip over. Not a single crumb is falling out. Now that's a tight seal. Let's test the cutter now. Press the second button and glide it across. That's a smooth, clean cut in seconds. No scissors needed. If you're wondering where to get it from, drop a comment below and I'll send you the link. This little tool is a total game changer.